Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our July inspiration for putting your kit together is about 4th of July, traveling, camping, gardening, going to amusement park, day trips, could be the zoo, any place. And we would like you to use the color red, white, blue, and gray, stars and stripes, ephemera with traveling, camping, and all that other stuff, flowers and trees, wheels, and suitcases. Plus the word adventure. Yep, add adventure to one of your layouts. All right, let's look at the products I selected for layout number 2. So we have some washi tape. We have thin cuts from Close to My Heart called Fancy Dolies, and that is item CC 5226. I am a Close to My Heart maker consultant. If you do not have one, I would love for you to come over and shop with me. I have 2 photographs from an amusement park, and I'll come back to the story of those photographs. This 12 by 12 blue with white polka dot paper is from Crepe Paper. Then the geometric blue on white pattern is from Close to My Heart, and the white with red stripe is also from Close to My Heart. A 2021 collection called Stars and Sparklers. Off camera, I cut my dolies using my Close to My Heart die cutting machine, and I matted my photographs on daisy white cardstock, and then that geometric design, I cut that 7.5 by 4.5. My photographs will be placed on that pattern paper after I finish inking the edge, the entire edge, with Bluebell ink from Close to My Heart. I'll take one of those dolies and place it in the upper right-hand corner and the other doily in the lower left-hand corner. Why I'm just a little bit ahead of myself, let me remind you that we have a Facebook group site, and I will have the link listed below, along with Becky and Kathy's channel, so that you can go see what they created this Monday from their July kit based on our inspiration suggestions. Or maybe they didn't create a kit based on the inspiration for the month of July. You just got to go check out their channel to see what they have put together and what they are creating. Again, their link will be listed below in the description box. All right, I am going to place that 7.5 by 4.5 paper, not quite centered, and then I place the 2 photographs on top of that paper. Next, I layer my washi tape on top of the doily, and you can see that now. And now I'm going to go back to the story behind the photographs. These 2 photographs has nothing to do with 4th of July, even though I am using 4th of July colors for this layout. It was a trip to Florida in the month of October of 2021 to visit family members. Now back to the layout. The next thing that I will do is add my chipboard title, which is Adventure. Yes, and I leave it in its original state. This chipboard is made to add mixed media if you would like, but I did not. Next, I get out the puffy stickers from Pink Fresh Studio to add the puffy word today above the word adventure, and then eventually I will add another puffy word phrase that says for real above the photograph over to the right. Now I am using stickers from my Vicky Booten sticker book. And the first one here says yay, and I am inking the edge of that sticker using Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in Black Soot. Then I will do the same thing for the sticker that's going to go in the upper right-hand corner. First, you see that little round sticker, and I don't use that. I use this one over here that's larger, that has aqua and a space to put a word phrase. And I use a sticker that says wonderful in the middle of that sticker. And I do ink the edge of that round sticker using the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink in Black Soot. And yes, you cannot see me ink the edge because I did that away from the camera. I was not thinking. I add another sticker that says 21 to represent the year 2021 from the Pink Fresh Studio Some Days collection. Then I will use those puffy silver stars in 3 locations, and I probably spent more time fussing with those puffy stars than I did creating this layout. But of course I edited it out, but you can see that I changed the location a few times. Then the last thing that I will do is add some splatters using Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in Medieval, and I add that in the upper left-hand corner of the photograph and in the lower right-hand corner. And then this layout is complete. Now it is time for you to play along. Put your kit together based on our inspiration or not, but snap a photograph, upload it to the July album over at our Facebook group site, and you will be automatically entered in to possibly win a gift certificate to buy some more scrappy supplies. But most importantly, get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel, and we will see you next time. Bye.